Hello and welcome to Math 219, Statistics and Probability. I'm Professor Romero. I'm going to take a few minutes to introduce you to the class and where to get started in our Canvas course. So you're looking at our Canvas homepage right here. You will see our Canvas our course calendar that outlines assignments, due dates, right? And this is really just a Google Doc that I put in here. This should all be aligned to the Canvas calendar and the assignment due dates that pop up in Canvas. But this is just one way to see the entire course, which is, again, a 16-week online course, strictly online, right? So there's a lot of independent learning. So I just want to make sure you're aware of that. Again, it's an, online course. So after you get to the Canvas homepage, you want to get to modules is the place to start. You will see different modules I have. Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4 are our statistics content. Unit 0 is what you're going to start with. It's our getting to know you and getting started unit. So that's where you're going to start the class. But before that, you will want to start at the course information and module 0 instructions to start here. This is an outline of, again, of kind of what I'm talking about now. I'll have this video put in here too, of the assignments, calendar, syllabus that we have. And we'll take a look at the syllabus in a couple of minutes. But these are all the opening assignments that you must complete within the first 2 days. Otherwise, you get dropped as we use it as an attendance and participation. So if you don't finish that into the first 2 days, you do get dropped. So keep that in mind, important to know. But that will be here. But in addition to this and the course information, what you're going to have is I'll make a video. You'll have a video for how to learn this class and then what to do when you get stuck, because that's important. A link to Pronto. This is an app we use to communicate. Our textbook here, linked, free. The guided notes. These are the notes we're going to use. I'll show you those in our How to Learn. The ArtistStat is the free software we're going to use. There's a link here and then a link to a guide. Information about late passes, a formula sheet we use that I post on the exam. So all of this is here. In addition, if you're new to Canvas, you want to set up your settings and access and how to make sure everything's set up for Canvas. Okay. So the next thing is the syllabus. This will be the next important thing. You have a link to the actual Google Doc or the calendar. This is the embedded syllabus inside of here. It's the same one. Hopefully you get a chance to read some of my information that I post, some of my goals. But we're going to look at is kind of the course details, right? Here's links to the textbook also, links to our free software we're going to use, okay? Information here again, we're going to have online proctor exams. You're going to have 3 plus a final, so proctorial will be used, so make sure you're aware of that. Now for the class, you're going to have online homework. It outlines that here. There are some assignments in Canvas, discussion boards, and other assignments that are in the course, and this is outlined here, so that's part of the course. We'll have like review, I call them challenge problems, but they're really review problems for the exams. It's a discussion board where we participate and help each other. That's a main part of the class also. There are quizzes in the class. We call them concept quizzes and application quizzes, so make sure you're aware of those too. You can see those in the calendar. There are 2 projects. One is going to be an extra credit project that goes to extra credit to your exam grade if you complete it, and then the second one is not optional, must be completed. We have 3 exams and a final, like I said, and that's proctored using Proctorial. So you want to make sure you have the necessary hardware to do that. So now, if you don't want to use Proctorial, then we have to proctor it in person. So we have to come to the assessment center, or if you're further away from Santa Ana College, then you need to find your own proctor to do that. So be aware of that, okay, as we do that. Of course, you can read the grading and it has the different categories here that we have for the class. You want to make sure you take a look at that. And of course, there's student responsibilities, and I kind of already said some of the opening assignments that make sure they're due, and those types of things, okay? So with that, right, I'm going to then, when we go back to, like I said, the modules, now that you've kind of go through the syllabus, you want to start here with the course information and get going with that. First assignments can get started now that the Canvas course is open, okay? If you have any questions, of course, you will email me, and I'll get back to you.